Hello, I'm Gam Gam Honey, and we're at Walmart. We're gonna do some old lady armpit fart pranks. Armpit pranks. Armpit fart pranks. How do you drive it?
I think you gotta hold it for a second. Come on, Grandma, you can do it.
I don't know how to drive it.
Oh, you're plugged in.
Grandma, damn it.
Oh. Oh.
Forward. Ah, confusing. Oh.
Oh. I'd slightly die here.
It's broken. Oh my god. Turning radius is crazy. It's gonna crash. Oh my god, it's too fast. Frightened. Ah. Gam Gam has cotton mouth. Stalled. Dial it in. Like a fighter jet. Poor Werther's. Oh. Shiver me timbers. A whole wall full of them. God. The f is that? What the f is that? What kind of snow creature? Who is a sloth in the winter? Who would die? Doesn't even make sense. Dang it. That's what you get. Frozen little claws. Trying to grab onto things. Oh, gosh. Oh. Gam Gam needs to go to the bathroom. Oh, I need to go. No. Lovely, some cheesy macaroni. Oh dear. Oh, Gam Gam's belly. Oh. Gosh, so sorry. Oh. What?
Grumbles.
Oh, what, those are lovely Christmas bongs. Sorry, that was inappropriate. I meant water pipe. Oh, so sorry. Oh. Oh, God. Oh. Oh. Oh, my. Oh. Oh, dear. Excuse me. Oh. Oh, my God. Oh. Oh, my God. Here. Tearing me. Thought it'd be all bad. Oh, sorry. Oh, dear. Oh, gosh. Oh, no. No. Don't run from me. You can't escape. I'm the hermit who lives under your stairs. Oh, goodness me. Probiotic or prebiotic that's gonna help me. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my goodness. So sorry. Oh, jeez. So sorry. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Gonna crash. Oh. Oh, my gosh. Just. Oh, my stomach. Oh, squeakers. Don't know where I am. It's too loud over there. You know it. Oh, that one might have been bad. I'm not sure about it. No, we're not squishy. We're all right. Not wet. Oh, hot sauce. Oh, I don't need any more of that. Jesus. Goodness gracious, my stomach. Oh, I love these little gift sets. Was that moonshine? Oh, you tricked me. Oh, just. Gracious. Oh. Oh, goodness. Oh my. Oh, look at the adorable little bones. Oh. 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 My belly is not happy today. Oh, geez. Oh, no. Whew. Hang on to the seat for that one. Just came out of the seat chair there. Okay, stuck again. Gam Gam is stuck. Gam Gam's having a panic attack. Get me out of baby hell. Release me from this prison. Rubber ducky, you're the one. Rubber ducky, you're so fun. Oh, oh my. Oh, belly. Oh my gosh. So sorry. I do love this. Oh, you're fine. My hat. I stocked up on toilet paper. Sure hope so. Oh my. Oh, squeaks. Excuse me. Hi. Oh, Jesus. Oh, it lifted me out of my chair almost. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, a lot better. Stomach today. Oh, oh my gosh, my son. I have to check my pants on that one.
Need coconut oil.
Oh, Jesus. So sorry. Oh, oh dear. Oh. Oh. Belly. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Oh, but the soup. I love soups.
Pick some soups out, Grandma.
I love tomato. He doesn't love me back though. I do love tomatoes. Oh my goodness. Oh, it looks heavy. Oh crap. Whew. I don't know how much longer I can last in here. Oh. Oh my, I'm so sorry. Please. Oh gosh.
All right, Grandma.
Oh. Oh dear. Oh gosh. Oh no. My. No, just so sorry. Oh. Oh my, so sorry. Zero turn. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Oh. Oh god. Oh, belly. Oh dear. Oh, so sorry.
You look beautiful. I love your hair and everything.
Thank you. Shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my. It's just high.
Hey, you gotta be careful. There's a speed limit around here.
I know. These
They
go so.
called me a couple times. I got tickets.
I know. I'm afraid of that. Oh dear. So sorry. Oh. Funny shit, y'all. Funny shit. I don't know where Bear went though. He ran away.